This is a simple A to B Apple Maps tutorial. Follow along and tap where the arrows point. The starting point and destination points have already been saved on my phone. You can do this also, or just tap on the map where you want to go. Tap on the Apple Maps icon, tap on the search maps, tap on the starting point, tap on directions, blue box, tap on destination either in your directory or on the map, tap on the three bars of any point you do not want and slide left. Tap on delete, map will redo the route. Tap on go. The map will show you step-by-step directions if you slide your finger to the left where the white dots are. You can also look at the directions as a list. Once at your destination, you can end the route by tapping on End Route.